Hello dear farmers, so welcome back to another video. In the farm, this is where I planted my corn, and actually this is the yellow maize, and this is the first time I have tried it, and it has done quite well, although some parts have disappointed me a lot. Yeah, but I'm here to harvest, so I'm going to be harvesting this, and hopefully we are going to be making corn silage together. So this is the yellow maize, and you can see here I'm having we call it maize, some call it corn. Yeah, so this is a boiled one. You just harvest it, put it on water, and then you heat it until the water boils, and then you may consume it. You may add some salt to add the taste. So this is what I'll be taking for lunch. That's what my grandmother has prepared for me. Yeah, so I'm going to harvest all this. Yeah, and then maybe on a Monday. Today's on a Sunday, so tomorrow I'll be making the silage. So this part did not do well. Actually, I planted it when it was sunny, and most of them were scorched by the sun. So that's why I decided to at least work on my soil, especially on this area. You can see that area has quite a good biomass when it comes to the corn, and they did very well on that side, but on this side they did not do that well, although they are having some corn, as you can see this one. So this is actually the yellow maize. Yes, I'm going to harvest it today. As you can see, it's yellow. Yeah, so I'm struggling here because I'm using a tablet and quite large compared to a phone. As you can see, it's yellow in color. Yeah, so I'm going to be harvesting this. Yeah, it is at dove stage. Dove stage is the right stage to harvest this maize when they have no much milk. As you can see, this side over here, yeah, it has some milky substance coming out. Yeah, you can see it has some milky substance coming out, and it's also hard. Yeah, it is not that milky, it's quite hard. Yeah, you can see from my pressing. Yeah, it is quite hard, a little bit, not that hard. It's not dried up. So this is what we are going to be harvesting, and hopefully I'm going to be making silage using this, yeah, before it dries up. Yeah, so this side did not do well. So what I did, I have some few goats, and I decided to bring the goat manure. You can see this is a goat manure. So this side I'm going to just spread this goat manure, and also I'm also introducing some you see those the fodder that it remains when the cows are full. Maybe the next morning you can just come and cover the soil with it, so that that soil, when it comes to moisture retention, it will be better. And also when it comes to fertility, when that that fodder that remains, when it is fully decomposed, you get that area has good fertility, and it will be able to grow the crops that you will sow in that area will be fine. Yeah, so this area has good corn. Yes, so this is what I'm going to be harvesting. So comparing this to that side, you can tell the difference. There's a huge difference in this side. You can see there are some good corn over here. Yeah, most of them are at duff stage, and we are going to harvest them all, so that at least we can be further secure coming in the coming months, before we wait for the next rains, maybe in the 9th month of the year. So this is what I planted. It did well. Some parts did well, some did not do well, as you can see also in this area. This area did not do well. Mostly they got scorched, but yeah, it's a learning process, and we keep on moving. This is what I'm telling you. These are the remains of the Napier grass that I collected from the cow troughs. So I spread it here, and they decompose, and then the soil becomes better to produce more corn. So we also have another part over there. So there is another part over here which we are going to harvest. Yeah, so I'm just going to harvest all this. I don't know if I'm going to harvest this one today or tomorrow, but at the end of the day tomorrow I'll be starting my silage making process. So I hope I'll update you on how I'm doing it, because last time I also posted a video. Yeah, and yep, so that is it. So let me just harvest these, and I'll show you when I'm done. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, that's a very good corn over here, quite a strong one. You can see this is a handful. Yeah, there's another one over here. So despite having some areas not growing, some did very well, and I'm grateful for the season. It's better you have something, but rather than having no fodder for the cows. And also my cows are pregnant, so in a month's time I'll be showing you the cow that is almost calving. So keep tuned, and let me finish harvesting, and then I'll update you next.